carpet cleaning is essential for maintaining a clean and healthy living environment. However, there is a common concern among homeowners: can carpet cleaning cause mold? In this video, we will explore this question and provide you with valuable insights to help you prevent mold growth during the carpet cleaning process. One of the key steps in preventing mold growth during carpet cleaning is ensuring proper moisture control. Before cleaning, make sure the carpet is not excessively wet or damp. If there are any areas of concern, such as water damage or hidden leaks, address them before proceeding with the cleaning process. When using a carpet cleaning machine, it's crucial to follow the manufacturer's instructions and guidelines. Ensure that the machine extracts as much moisture as possible from the carpet during the cleaning process. Proper extraction helps minimize the moisture left behind, reducing the risk of mold growth. After the carpet cleaning process, it's essential to promote thorough drying of the carpet. Open windows, turn on fans, or use dehumidifiers to increase air circulation and aid in the drying process. Avoid covering the carpet with furniture or walking on it until it is completely dry. Adequate ventilation is crucial in preventing mold growth. Ensure that the room where the carpet is being cleaned has proper airflow and ventilation. This helps expedite the drying process and minimizes the chance of moisture getting trapped in the carpet fibers. Beyond the carpet cleaning process, regular maintenance is key to preventing mold growth. Address any water damage or leaks promptly, as even small amounts of moisture can lead to mold growth over time. Additionally, practicing regular vacuuming and spot cleaning helps keep the carpet clean and dry. Professional carpet cleaning can be an excellent option to ensure a thorough clean and minimize the risk of mold growth. Professional cleaners have the expertise, equipment, and knowledge to properly extract moisture and address any potential mold-related concerns. Can carpet cleaning cause mold? While the risk exists, with proper moisture control, thorough drying, and regular maintenance, you can minimize this risk significantly. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy a clean and mold-free carpet. Remember, prevention is key. Take the necessary precautions to control moisture, ensure thorough drying, and practice regular maintenance to prevent mold growth in your carpets. If you have concerns about mold or need professional carpet cleaning, don't hesitate to reach out to trusted professionals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable cleaning tips and information.